Hello traders, today is the 19th of July 2023. What a blessing beginning of the day, guys. Amazing trade. Let me share with you guys an Aussie dollar. We had such a nice beautiful breakout. This was the breakout we were expecting from yesterday, and if you look at here, pretty straightforward. We have this impulsive, we have this correction, and this is the breakout we were expecting here. So we had this breakout yesterday, even at the Asian session, and afterwards, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback and the target around this level. Let's see if the market is going to hit this target, but we're still holding short. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward and amazing. You can see here, that was the Asian session analysis I did and explained to my trader in detail. And if you look at here, the price developed a false breakout at this sign, and as this is the previous high was broken, and we have this false breakout as explained. Let the market break the structure, and if it's going to break, then long, otherwise short here. So you can see a price nicely broken after the breakout. As explained, keep taking a pullback. So even in London morning session, as explained, the first priority will be always be look for the pullback short here. So you can see here, most of my traders still holding at this pullback. Beautiful short trade here on Aussie dollar. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but I'm pretty sure you can enjoy more when you're watching it live in real time. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day.